Hello there, let's fix Stardew Valley keeps crashing on Steam error. So for example, this is going to be the game, right? So just a disclaimer, I do not have this game as of now, but I can show you a sample on how to fix it with the game I have. Now let's just say this is Stardew Valley. In here, just want to select the game, make sure it's going to be on. On the right side, the gear icon, click Manage, click on Properties, look for installed files, click on the Verify integrity of the game files. Now this will take some time, but it will really fix your game inside the internal servers. Any corrected version, any corrected files will be corrected. After that one, click on Browse. Look for the largest file here. Should be the one with the logo of the game. For example, this one. So I'm just going to right click on the game application, click on Properties, click on Compatibility, make sure that this is running as an admin. Alright, after that one, if the problem still persists, click on your Windows key, go for Device Manager, wait for it to open it up, look for Display Adapters. Under your GPU options, right click, and go for Update Driver. And that's it.